Alright guys, so with these problems, we're going to talk about how to use what we already know to help us solve these situations. These are what we call non-routine problems. You just have to think and use all the stuff you know to solve what you need to solve. So what you're going to learn is what do we know about the volumes of figures to solve real world problems. So let's try this together. Once again, these problems are what we call non-routine problems. You're going to have to use the knowledge that you know, match the objects with something in the real world, or match the objects in the real world with something that you know in geometry. And then you're going to take other skills that you have and use them to solve these problems with. So you're going to have to think, and you're going to have to put together some of your knowledge that you already have. So here, this problem says your friends are bored making sandcastles and decide to play with the beach ball they found in the car. The package says the beach ball has a diameter of 20 inches. While playing with the beach ball, the plug comes loose and the beach ball deflates by 1/4. How much air is left in the beach ball? Okay, so I'm going to highlight the question, and I'm trying to find out how much air is left in the beach ball. So if I go back up here, I'm going to read each sentence and see if something in there can help me. It says your friends are bored. The package says that the beach ball, okay, so I got a beach ball that has a diameter of 20 inches. While playing with the beach ball, the plug comes loose and the beach ball deflates by 1/4. How much air is left in the beach ball? Alright, so a ball looks like this, something like this. And of course they have some more. And a ball is the shape of a sphere. And this sphere has a diameter of 20. So that means this is 10 and this is 10. So this is a sphere. That's what this ball is. So if I find the volume of this, then I can go and find out I'm going to find the volume first. So volume equals of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So if I find that volume, I'll know how much air is in that ball, in that beach ball. So I'm going to go ahead and do the math. It was 4/3 pi, and this is, the radius is 10, so I'm going to do 10 cubed. So the volume equals, and it's okay if you do the math on top and then go back and divide it all by 3 at the end. So I'm going to use my calculator, and I'm gonna leave pi in there. 4 times 10 raised to the 4 times 10 raised to the third equals 4,000. So 4,000 pi, and you can put pi in or out, and you know what, for the sake of simplicity, I'll go ahead and include pi times 3.14. so that gives me volume is 12,560 over 3. So I'm going to take that answer, divide it by 3, and we get 4186.67. So the volume is 4,186.67, and this is going to be inches cubed. Now the question said that while playing with the beach ball, the plug comes loose and the beach ball deflates by 1/4. Well, 1/4 means to divide by 4. So if I find out 1/4 of this, then I can go ahead and answer this question. So I'm going to take this volume and divide it by 4 so I can see what 1/4 of this volume is. So I can see how much left. How much actually went out of the ball. So I'm going to divide this answer by 4. So I get 1,046.67 inches. So volume, well, this is divided by 4, equals 1,046.67. Let me double check that. Alright, so this is how much volume that has left. So I'm going to write that on here. Volume or air. You could say volume, air, volume that left when the plug came loose. So now, since I know what the real volume is and how much that's left when the plug came loose, now I subtract these 2 ounces and you'll get how much is left in the beach ball. So I want to say 4186.67 minus 1046.67. And you get 3140. So 3,140. So you get 3,140 inches cubed. That's how much volume you have left in the beach ball, or how much air is left in that beach ball. Okay, so the rest of the problems, they're not going to work exactly out like this, but you're going to have to think, put everything together that you know, and make them work. Alright, I will see you guys in class tomorrow. And please try all of these problems so we can talk about the ones that you struggled with. Okay, bye.